She got her up, shorty drippin', that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't trippin', she got her ghost. Shorty she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see from the title, I'm doing one of y'all favorite type of videos. You guys always ask about my natural hair. What is my natural hair? How is it? How has it come along? Y'all, long story short, I recorded, my hair was straight for the, my hair is actually still out under this. It's not really in braids, but I straightened my hair. You guys know I always straighten my hair for the New Year's. I straightened my hair. I had a whole video, y'all. I recorded the whole thing. As I'm editing my wig videos, I accidentally delete the footage, and I was just so upset about it. So I'm like, I'm just not gonna upload the video because I feel like I didn't want to upload an incomplete video. Like, that's just not right. We are in March, okay? I'm thinking about re-straightening my hair just to show you guys. I don't know yet, but let's see how I'm feeling as this video, you know. The wig, I will be taking off my wig. I will be washing my hair. I will be showing you guys my hair. My hair was really damaged. Damaged as in, like, the split ends was just split ending. Like, it was bad. I cut my hair myself. I cut it. I will insert pictures of how my hair looked before I cut it and how it looked after I cut it. I mean, it's not really a big difference. I couldn't really see, and I didn't want to OD and cut too much. But from since then, my hair has grown back, and it's only been literally 1-2 months. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that. So right now, I'm gonna take off this. I'm going to go wash my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after I wash it. I'm gonna blow dry it, and I might just straighten it again for you guys. The weather is kind of I don't know. I'm trying to see if it's honestly any type of, I'm gonna see how my curls is looking first, and if my curls is looking good, alright, we go straighten it. But if my curls is looking too damaged, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and braid it back up and call it a day. Okay, so y'all, I'm back. My hair is fully washed and deep conditioned. I went ahead and washed it with my favorite thing, which is Aussie Moist. I used the apricot shampoo and conditioner, and then I went ahead and deep conditioned my hair with some bamboo silicone mix. My curls is curling, y'all. Like, I don't know why I thought I was gonna have some type of heat damage, and that cut I did, oh yeah, it did my curls justice. I got a little more heat damage, but that cut I did really did my curls some justice. So right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it for you guys. I feel like I owe you that, being that I didn't upload it for the new year, and you guys know I usually upload it literally every year ever since my big shot. I'm gonna go ahead and put some heat protector on my hair. I'm gonna use my favorite blow dryer from the TikTok shop. I freaking love this blow dryer. It saves so much time. And yeah, I'll be back when I'm done blow drying my hair. Okay, so yeah, my hair is blow dried. I went ahead and I changed my t-shirt so you guys can see. This blow dryer right here is the truth. Y'all got it from a TikTok shop. This literally speeds up my blow drying time 100%. Like, I'm in love with this blow dryer. Ever since I got this blow dryer, I don't even use my old blow dryer. I don't even look at my old blow dryer. Just go and get one. So now we're about to go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm going to be using my Babyliss flat iron, Babyliss, Babyliss, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be using some more heat protectant. And y'all, and we about to get this done. If I have to cut my hair some more, I'm going to cut it. But I honestly has grown back from when I cut it the first time. So let's get started. Okay, so y'all, my hair is done and straightened. I had to go ahead and switch over to my phone once again. Y'all, I had this camera ever since you can say, graduated high school. So it's definitely time for a new camera because I graduated in 2015. So yeah. So it keeps turning off, but I guess whatever. So like I said, I had to switch over to my phone. I'm gonna hurry up and talk because I don't want my phone to die. But I went ahead and finished straightening my hair, y'all. I literally just cut my hair to like right here in January. So I think I'm going to do that again. I'm going to cut it again right there because it definitely needs to be cut. It grew back. You guys know what my hair was. My hair was literally tailbone length, past tailbone length. Like, I really neglected my hair, y'all. I was never oiling my hair. I was leaving my hair braided for months. When I say like that, meaning like my hair wasn't moisturized. So when I went to go y'all know I do the takedown, a lot of hair was falling out. Not a lot to I'm bald, but a lot of hair to where my hair started like not getting oldie thin, but I could definitely see a difference in like, you know, how thick it was. But it was still thick, but it wasn't as thick as before. Another thing, I would also, okay, let's say you guys know I don't want to use heat in my hair, right? So at a point in time I got lazy, so I started just, after my hair air dried, I would just braid it up, and once again I was not moisturizing my hair. So you guys know what happened to hair that's wet, that gets air dried, and just braid it up and put away. Like, you just leave it on a ponytail, it's gonna get brittle, it's gonna get dry, and it's gonna break OD. So that's basically what happened to my hair. I started oiling my scalp again in January, so I can already see my thickness coming back, y'all. You guys already know what I'm using. I'm using my Reese Remedies hair growth oil. I'm not going to use it right now because I literally just straightened my hair and I don't want it to get too oily, because that's like, that oil is really thick. I might just put a little bit, a tad bit, because my hair is dry right now. There's nothing in my hair but heat protectant. I'm going to go turn around and show you guys the back. Y'all, I know I need to cut my hair, so don't say it. Don't say it. I know. So this is how it's looking in the back. Hopefully you guys can, but this is how it's looking in the back. You guys know we used to be all the way down here, y'all. We used to be all the way down here. We gonna get back. We used to be all the way down here. We gonna get back, y'all. But this is how my hair is right now. Here's a good look. I probably need to cut like up to here, which I really want to do. I was talking to the closet. That was really weird. I really want to cut my hair there, but I'm gonna cut it when I'm like putting my hair away back into some braids. And yeah, my hair has been out ever since January, y'all. I usually don't leave my hair out this long, but for some reason I wanted to keep it out. I might just keep it out, meaning like I may rock my curly hair more. Like, while I'm gonna still do the wigs, but in between the wigs I'm gonna be doing some natural hairstyles for real this time, because my hair has never been out this long. The curls were still looking good, so I ain't get no heat damage. That's why I really went ahead. I'm like, all right, my curls are still looking juicy. So I went ahead and really straightened my hair for you guys. But other than that, y'all, this is it for this video. I really want to cut it, but I'm gonna need somebody to help me with the back a little bit, because I don't want to cut too much. Did it look bad, y'all? Like, because before, I'm gonna put a picture. Before, it looked horrible. Like, the split ends, the thinness, it looked horrible. So thank God, literally within a month, you could say 2 months time, my hair is getting back on track. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this oil in my hair. I don't like the flyaways at the top. I literally grabbed a little bit because this hair is real thick. I said this hair soon, but this oil is real thick, so just grab that much right there. But yeah, y'all, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see more natural videos, let me know down below, which I know you guys do, because y'all steady asking, which is fine. I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. So I went ahead and I straightened my hair for you guys, y'all. I don't straighten my hair throughout the year, and once February hit, sometimes before even February hit, my hair is away. So my hair is still out. We're gonna do some natural hair videos. I'm gonna learn my natural hair. I'm gonna learn how to do it. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.